What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys already know by the title and thumbnail, we are installing the MAAD exhaust from Active AUTOWERKE today. Shout out to Active AUTOWERKE for sending this exhaust out. I told you guys in a previous video that we would be working together again after doing their downpipes and their single mid pipe. You already know we had to complete the full exhaust and add an axle back to my setup. So I'm super excited about this one. Obviously, you know, an axle back changes the complete tone of a car, especially on the S55. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what Active sent out. This thing looks bonkers. I also wanted to give a huge shout out to my boy Ben and Jonathan for actually bringing the MAAD exhaust to me from Miami. They were actually down there at Active AUTOWERKE doing something special. So you guys gotta stay tuned and subscribe to their YouTube channels. Make sure you guys follow them as well on Instagram. Couldn't have done this video without them. So shout out to the homies for helping me out. I actually haven't seen that many sound clips online or on YouTube or even Beamer posts. I think the only clips that I've ever seen is actually Active Shop Car, which had stock downpipes and the non-resonated equal length. So I don't think a catless and single mid pipe setup has ever been filmed or published on YouTube yet. So you guys have to stay tuned for that. I think this is gonna be a sick exhaust setup. I'm super excited. Again, shout out to Active AUTOWERKE for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. We just hit 50K, that shit's crazy. I appreciate all the support as of lately. If you guys need anything from Active AUTOWERKE, it'll be linked in the description below. Again, huge shout out to them. Now let's get into this video. We are in the garage, and as you guys saw from the B-roll, we have the MAAD exhaust from Active AUTOWERKE. This thing looks insane. It literally looks like it's out of the Mad Max movie, hence why they named it the MAAD exhaust. This thing looks insane, but in a good way. So right here you have a 3-can design for their exhaust. The purpose is to eliminate rasp and, you know, for resonance to go into here. And so by the time it goes out to these dump tubes or the actual muffler itself, a lot of that rasp is gone. So, you know, hopefully this paired up with the Active AUTOWERKE Catless Downpipes on my car and the Active AUTOWERKE non-resonated single mid pipe will sound insane paired up with their MAAD. I couldn't find a video of the MAAD paired up with a catless setup and their single mid pipe. The only videos online and Beamer posts are the MAAD paired up with the equal length mid pipe. So I think I'll be the first F8X with their Catless Downpipe single mid pipe paired with the MAAD. So can't wait to hear what it sounds like. This thing is crazy. There's no other way to describe it. Again, shout out to Active AUTOWERKE. I love working with them. They're such an amazing company to work with, and the fact that they're local here in Florida, down in Miami, makes it even better. So shout out to Active AUTOWERKE. Make sure you guys check out their website if you need anything done to your BMW. They make superchargers, exhaust, and tunes for all series of BMWs, so make sure you check out their website. It'll be linked in the description below. Also, they sent out part of their care package to me with some brand new exhaust tips to try out. This is their new packaging that they're sending out to customers. I'm not sure if I'm going to be installing them in this video. I might split the exhaust tips up into the next video that you guys watch. But just to show you guys their new packaging, I'll go ahead and open the box, give you guys a little sneak peek. It says, "Come play with power." That is sick. That's super, super premium. To piggyback off that, you guys see right here, the quality of the welds are amazing. They're super, super clean and very even all around. So yeah, I've never had any flaws with Active AUTOWERKE products. I even ran them on my F30, my 328 back in the day. So yeah, huge shout out to Active AUTOWERKE. So with their MAAD exhaust system, they also sent me out an exhaust spring clip installation instruction manual, along with some new spring clips itself, and then some new exhaust valves to plug in. We are going to be transferring over the OEM valves from my competition muffler onto the backside right here. And those valves are basically gonna control these two dump tubes right here. So when the valves are open, the exhaust is gonna flow through here, and it's literally gonna bypass the muffler, and it's basically gonna be a full straight pipe exhaust. I think the sound will also come through the side mufflers as well. So yeah, that is one of the craziest designs of exhaust that I've ever seen. But that pretty much wraps up the functionality of the MAAD and the design behind it. They do provide you basically with everything that you need. This is a direct bolt-on, by the way, I forgot to mention. So if you have their single mid pipe or their equal length mid pipe, this is a direct bolt-on to where you already cut for your muffler. Kona, you gonna help me with this job today? So I'm not gonna bore you guys with a install or DIY. I'll just do what I usually do and provide you guys with some updates as I go along the way. So my only trouble right now is that I'm running the PSM style diffuser, which happens to have this giant under tray underneath. And so the MAAD exhaust obviously has those two dump tubes that would probably, you know, open up right there near the fins. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to take off the PSM style under tray, and then that'll give us access to the competition muffler, obviously. And then we'll probably just run no under tray for a while. I know that the MAAD can fit the Vorsteiner diffuser, so I'm pretty sure it'll be able to fit the PSM under tray as well. The only problem is we'll have to run no PSM diffuser, or we're gonna have to drill 2 holes for the dump tubes so we don't burn the under tray. So that is my only dilemma. If you guys don't have the PSM style diffuser, then you really don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this under tray off. I know that most of you guys who are watching just wanna hear what it sounds like, and you might skip to the end. But for those of you guys that are sticking around, I appreciate you. And yeah, I'll give you guys more updates as we go along the way. All right, update number 1, under tray is off. And then we have the jack underneath the muffler, and the muffler is held in again by I think 2 15mm holding in the clamps to the mid pipe. I already unplugged the wire that goes to the exhaust valve right here, and then right up there behind the wire there's, I think it's a 13mm, and we're gonna have to take both of those off. Those are the hangers, of course, that hold in the muffler, so we're gonna have to take 1 and then 2 off on both sides, and then this whole muffler should come down. So all we have to do now is lower the jack carefully, and then this muffler should come down. And easy as that, the muffler is off. Also, my jack came in handy because I just rolled this over here, and look at it, it's literally just sitting there perfectly balanced. Hell yeah. So now all we have left is to transfer over the hangers and the valves right here. You want to make sure that your valves, when you take these off, are in the closed position. But drop a comment down below if we should run the F80 like this for a day. A straight piped exhaust coming straight out of the muffler. Imagine shooting a flame like this and how loud the car would be. Yeah, we're not gonna do that, but that would be insane. All right, coming back with another update. I just put the spring into the valve on the, what is this, the right side? And then right here, you guys can see there's a little groove right there. And then on the bottom of the muffler, there's also a little groove. And so essentially the little pin that we are putting in is gonna go like so, right there. And so when the valves are opening and closing, it turns the valves, you know, left or right, and it's going to open and close the dump tube right here. So essentially this spring is going to be pinched right here with some pressure, and that is going to be the end result. All that's left to do is install the brackets and hangers that hold up the exhaust. Active provides you with 2 brackets that you just screw in to the side, and then I just transfer it over the rubber grommet from my old exhaust, and then we're just going to slap that on to the new one, and then yeah, we should be good to reinstall. All right. Here is the final update before we start the car. Off camera, I put the MAAD exhaust on. For the most part, everything is a good, solid fit. I actually mocked up the PSM under tray, and as we expected, we're gonna have to drill 2 holes into the diffuser itself in order to, you know, have an escape for these 2 dump tubes right here. But for the time being, probably like for the next week or so, we'll run no under tray, and you know, we'll just drive around and see how the exhaust sounds and get you guys some videos, of course. So yeah, I think everything is buttoned up. Once we add the tips, it'll look super nice, of course. But before I lower the car, I'm obviously gonna start it and check for any leaks. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that now. First cold start with the MAAD. We're gonna do valves closed, and then I'll open her up. Yo, that was pretty fucking loud. At least we know the valves work though, so that's a good sign. So I did stick my hand underneath and just felt for any air coming out. And we do have a slight leak right where these clamps are, so I'm going to adjust those real quick and then test it again. So yeah, let's button that up, and I can't wait to go for a cruise. The overall tone though sounds insane. It's definitely louder, has a different type of grumble. All right, we are in the car now. Of course, rocking the Active AUTOWERKE gear. And we are headed to the store. I'm actually selling some of my old exhaust tips, so we're gonna head to UPS, listen to the exhaust together for the first time, and then after the car warms up, we'll go to my favorite underpasses and get you guys some exhaust clips of the MAAD. So stay tuned, let's go. Just from driving in my neighborhood, it's already like significantly louder, and you can hear the turbo spools really nicely and efficient. Again, we're gonna let the car warm up though before we open her up, but already the tone sounds amazing and it's definitely louder. Holy shit, it's way louder and the tone is super nice. I was literally just in manual shifting mode in efficient, and their turbo spool is like no other. It's like amplified even more, even with the Catless and single mid pipe setup. This is crazy. Anything like under 2K RPM, the turbo spool is just crazy. That's enough and efficient, let's go to sport. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. It's so much louder. Damn, it sounds super smooth as well. That's crazy. That's windows up, by the way. You guys can hear it. This thing sounds crazy. Yo, holy fuck. I just went through the underpass and got a clip on my phone, and yo, that shit's loud and it sounds amazing. Now let's get one for you guys so you guys can see why my reaction is the way it is. But yeah, my favorite underpass is no match for the F80 M3. Let's go. There's people in the way, so you already know we have to run it back. I don't know if it's coming through on the sound. I'm gonna do one more pull under the underpass, and then yeah, we'll go to my other favorite underpass and get you guys some standing revs and whatnot. This is crazy. It sounds super good, super loud, but the tone is amazing. Absolutely love it. The downshifts are also crazy. Listen to this. All right, here's take number 450,000. Get you guys some standing revs outside the car. So yeah, as you guys can hear, most of the exhaust noise is actually coming from the dump tubes. Let's get you guys some standing revs now. So this is with the valves open, and then we'll do valves closed. Make sure you guys drop a like for your boy, because my gas light is on now. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I freaking did. Shout out to Active AUTOWERKE for again sending this exhaust out. My F80 now consists of all Active AUTOWERKE products, from their downpipes to their single mid pipe to now their MAAD MAXX axle back exhaust. This thing is crazy. I'm super happy with the sound and overall tone of the axle back itself, paired with the single and their downpipes. This thing sounds bananas. You guys gotta hear it in person. Video really doesn't do it justice. I'm gonna be hanging out with a couple of the Orlando guys very soon, so I can't wait to show them and get their reaction. But of course, we're gonna make some more videos, including the new exhaust setup, so stay tuned for that. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit up Active AUTOWERKE and check out their website. Follow them on Instagram, and check out anything that you guys may need, whether it be downpipes, a mid pipe, or an axle back similar to the one that I installed today. Everything will be linked in the description below. And again, I love my new exhaust setup. I couldn't stop smiling earlier. But thanks again for all the support. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.